Parashat Bereshit, the Zohar by Alma Veritas Lab. At the head of potency of the king, he engraved engravings in luster on high. A spark of impenetrable darkness flashed within the concealed of the concealed from the head of infinity. A cluster of vapor forming in formlessness, thrust in a ring, not white, not black, not red, not green, no color at all. As a chord surveyed, it yielded radiant colors. Deep within the spark gushed a flow, splaying colors below, concealed within the concealed of the mystery of Ein Sof. It split, and did not split its aura, was not known at all, until under the impact of splitting, a single concealed supernal point shone. Beyond that point, nothing is known, so it is called Reshit, beginning, first command of all. Radiance, concealed of concealed, struck its aura, which touched and did not touch this point. Then, this beginning expanded, building itself a palace worthy of glorious praise. There it sowed seed to give birth, availing words. The secret is, her stalk is seed of holiness, radiance, sowing seed for its glory, like the seed of fine purple, silk wrapping itself within, weaving itself a palace, constituting its praise, availing all. With this beginning, the unknown concealed one created the palace. This palace is called Elohim, God. The secret is, Bereshit bara Elohim, with beginning created God. Radiance. From here all commands were created through the mysterious expansion of this point of concealed radiance. If created is written here, no wonder it is written, God created the human being in his image. Mystery. Bereshit, in the beginning, first of all, Eheye, I will be, a sacred name engraved in its sides. Elohim, God, engraved in the crown. Asher, who, a hidden treasure palace beginning of the mystery of Reshit. Asher, Rosh, head, emerging from Reshit. When afterward point and palace were arrayed as one, then Bereshit comprised supernal in wisdom. Afterward the color of the palace transformed and it was called Bait, house, while the supernal point was called Rosh, merging in one another in the mystery of Bereshit. When all was one in one entirety, before the house was inhabited. Once it was sown, a rain habitation, it was called Elohim, hidden, concealed. Concealed and treasured, while offspring lay within, yet to be born, and the house expanded, arrayed by the seed of holiness, until it conceived, expanding into habitation. It was not called Elohim, rather all combined, Bereshit. Once arrayed in the name Elohim, it generated offspring from that seed sown within. What is that seed? Those engraved letters, mystery of Torah, emerging from that point. Within that palace, the point sowed the seed of 3 points, Holem, Shuruk, Chirek, merging together, becoming a single mystery, a voice emerging in unison. As it emerged, its consort emerged with it, comprising all letters, as is written, Ad ha-shamayim, the heavens, voice and consort. This voice, heaven, is the final Eheye, I will be, comprising all colors in this way till here. Yahweh, our God, 3 ranks correspondent to the supernal mystery. In the beginning God created, Bereshit, primordial mystery, Bara, concealed mystery from which all expands, Elohim, mystery sustaining all below, at heavens, so as not to separate them, male and female, as one, conveying all those letters, entirety of them all, beginning and end. Afterward was added, so all those letters will be combined with he, and it was called Ata, you. So Ve Ata, and you, and live in them all, a mystery of Adonai, Lord, and so it is called supernal mystery. Behet, array of male and female.